First impressions aren't just about what you see, they're also about what you feel. And nothing creates a good first impression faster than a subtle, pleasant scent. Scent marketing transforms a space. It can make a lobby feel welcoming, a hallway feel cared for, or an event space feel unforgettable. Unpleasant odors, on the other hand, can send the wrong message. State uses professional-grade scenting machines at facilities like yours to consistently and discreetly add fragrance into the background, while neutralizing odors at the same time. This is how it works. You choose the scent profile that fits your brand, including no known allergen or fragrance-free options, and we install it, service it, and check in regularly to make sure you're satisfied. State's full-service ambient scenting programs are tailored to your building's size and layout. Here's why it matters. Clean, subtle fragrance elevates how your space is felt by visitors, employees, inspectors, and leadership alike. Whether you're running a hospital, a school, an office building, a stadium, or any commercial facility, scent has power. It shapes how people experience your space, how they remember it, and how they talk about it. If you're ready to take your facility to the next level, connect with State to explore scenting options built for your space. Because when your facility smells this good, people remember.